A very good morning, dear students. Hope all of you are fine. Dear students, today we are going to start revision of topic pronoun and adjectives. In first video we'll revise pronouns, and in other video we'll revise adjectives. Okay, we'll revise according to the pattern of exam. Okay, you have to save this video. A pronoun, what do you mean by pronoun? Okay, pronoun is a word that is used in place of one or more noun. So you have to remember which words are pronoun, which words are used in the place of noun. Those are pronoun. For example, he, she, it, they, my, you, we, are, etc. All these are pronouns. You know these types of pronoun. All of you have to learn type of pronoun. What is personal pronoun? What is possessive pronoun? Reflexive pronoun, emphasizing pronoun, relative, interrogative, indefinite, demonstrative. Okay. So now listen this video, watch this video carefully, so that you will be able to solve all the questions in exam or all the questions of worksheet. In next session I'll send you worksheet of pronouns and adjectives. Okay. Dear student, for example, Rahul is my brother. What is Rahul? Rahul is noun. This is noun. Now I'll use word he. He is very intelligent. This word he is pronoun. Okay. Rahul and Neha are siblings. Rahul and Neha, these are plurals. These are noun. But now which word I use for them, that will be pronoun. They are playing. Rahul and Neha are siblings. They are playing. It is pronoun. Understood? Now we will talk about singular and plural pronoun. Subjective, objective, subjective, objective. These type of pronouns used on the place of subject, used as subject, and these type of pronouns are used as object. This is subjective case, this is objective case. First person pronoun. What do we mean by first person? Person who is talking, who is speaking, that is person. जो बात कर रहा है वो है first person. To whom we are talking, that is second person. And किसके बारे में बोल रहे हैं, किसके बारे में we are talking about, to whom we are talking about, that is third person. He, she, it, him, her, it, all these are third person. First person, I, my, me. Second person, you, yours. And third person, he, she, her, it, they, etc. First type of pronoun is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun as it personal, जब कोई चीज़ हमारी है, हम अब किसी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Okay. Pronoun that take the place of name, people, thing are called personal pronoun. Raghav is a good boy. अब राघव की जगह कौन लेगा? He is smart. Okay. Riya is very intelligent. Suppose this is your question. Riya is very intelligent. Dash loves me. Now what pronoun will you use for it? She loves me. Okay. The children went to the beach. Which pronoun will be used in next sentence? They enjoyed it. So it was personal pronoun. Possessive. Possessive, it shows ownership, possessions. Possessive word shows ownership or possession. Okay. For example, this shirt is dash. This shirt is mine. Okay. For example, I'll give you sentence in exam, this shirt is mine, and I'll underline the word mine, and I'll ask you which pronoun is mine. You will write possessive pronoun. Okay. You have to write the type of underlined word. Okay. So mine is, which pronoun is this? Possessive. These shirts are ours. Here ours word is possessive pronoun. Okay. You have to tell the underlined word कि ये कौन सा pronoun है. This color is yours. These cars are your. All these are possessive pronoun. When something belongs to anyone, that is possessive pronoun. Next one is reflexive pronoun. Which pronoun shows that the object and the subject are same. that is possessive, or things are called reflexive pronoun when which pronoun shows that the subject and the object are the same person or thing, कि हम एक ही person के बारे में और thing के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, that is reflective. Reflexive pronoun means the subject reflects back it as object, कि subject जो है object को reflect कर रहा है. Okay, they either end with self, and ये कहाँ से end होते हैं? This kind of reflexive pronoun, remember one thing, जितने भी reflexive pronoun होंगे वो self और self से end होंगे. So when you will be asking about this type of pronoun, you will write reflexive pronoun. This type will be reflexive pronoun. For example, I will do this work myself. Okay, now tell me the pronoun, tell me the type of underlined word, myself. So you will write reflexive. Okay, for example, he will do this work himself. He will do this work himself. Which pronoun is this? Which pronoun is this? He से himself बना, so himself is. हमेशा याद रखो कि सेल्फ और सेल्फ से जो प्रोनाउन एंड होते हैं वो कौन से हैं? रिफ्लेक्सिव हैं. यू विल राइट रिफ्लेक्सिव. ओके, शी इंट्रोड्यूस हरसेल्फ विच प्रोनाउन? रिफ्लेक्सिव. द डॉग सॉ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ इटसेल्फ क्या है? इटसेल्फ थिंग के लिए और एनिमल्स के लिए यूज होते हैं. इटसेल्फ क्या है? रिफ्लेक्सिव. देमसेल्व्स, नाउ सेल्स क्या है? रिफ्लेक्सिव. ओके, अब ये जो रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन है ये क्या आते हैं? लास्ट में आते हैं. सब्जेक्ट को ही चेंज करके लास्ट में ऑब्जेक्ट की जगह यूज़ होते हैं, ये होते हैं रिफ्लेक्सिव. तो इसमें रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन और एम्फेसिजिंग प्रोनाउन में कंफ्यूज नहीं होना आपको. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज एम्फेसिजिंग प्रोनाउन. दिस प्रोनाउन, विच प्रोनाउन एम्फेसिस और स्ट्रेस, जो कोई चीज़ किसी चीज़ पे एम्फेसिस करता है, स्ट्रेस डालता है, जोर डालता है, वो क्या होता है? एम्फेसिजिंग प्रोनाउन होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन आई से राम हिमसेल्फ, अब ये एम्फेसिजिंग प्रोनाउन कब यूज़ होगा? हमेशा सब्जेक्ट के बाद यूज़ होगा. ओके, आप हमेशा सब्जेक्ट के बाद में ही आएगा कि ये जो राम है ये सब्जेक्ट है, ये किसके ऊपर जोर डाल रहा है? हिमसेल्फ. वो ये बता रहा है कि राम हिमसेल्फ टोल्ड द स्टोरी. राम हिमसेल्फ टोल्ड द स्टोरी. वी आर सेल्फ cooked food. So these are emphasizing pronoun. Okay, next is relative pronoun. You will write here emphasizing, em for emphasizing. Okay, this type of worksheet I will send you. Next one is relative pronoun. Relative pronoun, this kind of pronouns join two sentences and show the relationship. This kind of pronoun shows the for example, I saw a woman who was wearing a funny dress. Here, who word is correlating these two sentences. Who, that. जब हम sentence, when we are going to add these type of word, who, which, that, whom, so these are between two sentences to correlate them. That is relative pronoun. Understood? Okay, so what is who? Who is relative pronoun. What is which? Which is relative pronoun. Okay, indefinite pronoun. Indefinite, जो कुछ definite नहीं है. For example, this kind of number, everyone, everything, someone, nothing, हमें कुछ नहीं पता. We don't know कि कितना नंबर है. Everyone, सभी हैं. Everything, सभी हैं. Someone, nothing, nobody, etc. All these are indefinite pronoun, क्योंकि हमें इनका नंबर नहीं पता. So when you get this type of question, no one is happy in the class. What is no one here? Which pronoun is no one here? You will write indefinite. Okay, you will write indefinite. Everyone, which pronoun is everyone? You will write indefinite. Many क्या है? Indefinite. हमें नहीं पता कितना नंबर है. नेक्स्ट इज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन, जो किसी चीज़ की तरफ इशारा कर रहा है, इंडिकेट कर रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज माई पेन. दिस वर्ड, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. ये क्या है? दिस इज माई पेन. पेन की ओर इंडिकेट कर रहा है. दिस इज माई पेन. दोज आर माई फ्लावर्स. दिस इज demonstrative pronoun. This also demonstrative pronoun. Okay. When pronoun this, that, these are used in place of subject, those are demonstrative pronoun. Interrogative. Interrogative means question mark. Okay, questioning words. Who, what, where, whose, when, which, whose, etc. When you see this kind of word at the starting of the sentence along with question mark, that will be interrogative sentence. Okay, let's see. Who is that girl? Who is that girl? What is who word here? Interrogative. What? What is your name? This is also interrogative. Where are you going? This is also interrogative. So dear students, these were the types of pronoun. Now you have to revise these types of pronoun carefully and solve the worksheet which I will send you on Friday. Thank you.